Guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card to Stripe. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official link of Stripe. Simply give it a click. After clicking, you will be redirected to this landing page of Stripe. Now from here, if you are new to Stripe, you will see the option of sign in on right side at the top. Simply click on that and sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account logged in your Stripe, you will see the option of dashboard. Click on this option, and after clicking on this option, you will be welcomed to the home page of Stripe. Now from here on the right, you can see the settings icon. Click on it once, and then after opening the settings icon, scroll down a bit, and then under the product settings on payments, and after clicking on payments, click on payment methods. Now from here at the top, you will see the cards option. Simply turn it on, and after turning on, Stripe will now accept the card payments. And this is how you can add a debit card to your Stripe. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.